The second must-have app is called Product Upsell, and this is something you definitely want on your store because this will help you bring in tons of extra cash that you would essentially be not getting without this app. And what this does is every time someone tries to buy something, it shows other related products in the same niche. So let me show you how this works. Here's a demo site, and when we go for buying this product, add to cart, you see that this box pops up with other products in the same niche. This flash drive, flash card, battery, leather case. So you see that this product is backed up by all of this: a case, a memory card, lens, etc. So all you have to do is just set up the upsells properly, and you can get tons of extra sales for other products. And you can see that even after they're going for checking out, they can you can also display another offer over here, which is this free lens pen. They just set a random offer, but you can set up whatever you want. So I would highly recommend getting this app and setting it up, and it's really simple to set up. Let me show you. Just give it a second. All right, here you'll be choosing the products to display, and it's going to just show up just like this, and it's as simple as that. Add this up and load it up on your store.